has been times where I found this thing, and now it will be time to find other parts of this island. Parts of this island that I'll never have seen. And it's time to escape these zombie cats. And now, first, we're gonna start building on the base. So, where should I put our base? I haven't seen this. It's kind of open. Huh? Who did that? What was that? Uh-oh. Zombie cat! It's black zombie cat. So you're not one now. This is a zombie cat. Alright, JC, we need to find a base for survival days. Definitely we need a base. So where should we go, Daisy? Yeah. So where should we put our base to survive a PT zombie? Oh, so you're, see, that's a big zombie cat? Oh, you're leading me somewhere. Oh, that base? I can't fit down there. Oh, that's your scratching post. Lucky you're not supposed to eat dirty water. So, Daisy. So, how about let's build our base right here. This will be our base. This is right now a level 1 base. So, that means we can upgrade it, Daisy. So we can stay away from PT Zombie Cat. So, days. It's quite sunny outside. I think it's just starting to turn spring. Because I can see lots of spider webs. No, just spider silk. Just little bridges made from spiders. Hello, Daisy. I can't see. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's an airplane. So this city might be open still to some survivors. Then again, these could be planes from other places though. So as far as you can see, it's just way over there. We're kind of like almost in the middle of the island. So this probably means uphill. This is downhill. So this is island, right? So it goes uphill, up, into the middle of the island where there's supposed to be a volcano, right? So downhill is where the beach is. So that way. Right, easy? Because you can see this is downhill. It leads uphill. Then again, this is interesting. Maybe we're just like a part of the earth. Or just like, oh. Yup,